Hi everyone, this is Kai from Tizaw. Today I will show you how to record audio on Google Keep. Let's get started. Open Google Keep app. Then press microphone icon. Record your voice now. Then give a voice record title notes. Here I am giving voice record test note. Look here in notes box, automatically detect my voice and type record your voice now, and here also available your voice clip. Here listen, record your voice now. That's it. Thanks for watching. For more tips, check out tizaw.com and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a question, drop them in the comment section. See you next time.